Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting your numbers into L1 on the TI-84. Press Stat, then choose Edit. You'll see L1, L2, etc. Use the arrow keys to move, type each number, and press Enter to store it. If a wrong value appears, press DEL and then type the correct figure. Once done entering data, make sure your list has only the values you need. Extra blanks or headers can confuse the calculation that follows. Now you'll run the one-variable statistics routine to get standard deviation. Press Stat, move to Calc, and pick one-var stats. Next, tell the calculator which list to use. Press second, then 1 for L1. You'll see L1 appear after the command. Then press Enter to compute. Press Enter again if it shows the list argument. The screen returns many values, mean, sum, and both population and sample standard deviation. Finally, read the results. SX is the sample standard deviation and Sigmix is the population version. Use the one that fits your context. If a value looks wrong, review L1 and repeat the one-var stats steps. Small entry errors change SD a lot. Make sure there are no blank cells or accidental text entries. To clear a list, press Stat, right arrow 4, CLR list, then second 1 and Enter. If the calculator shows error, check for non-numeric data or an empty list first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.